Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of mass invoice sent by email in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application allows you to send multiple customer and vendor invoices in one go with PDF attaches and customizable email templates. It streamlines your billing workflow by letting you filter which invoices have been emailed and which are pending, saving time and ensuring consistent professional communication across the board. So, we will go to the invoicing module, open that, and in here under customer you will find a menu for invoicing. Open that and here you can see the invoices. I will be selecting these three invoices, invoicing number 5, 2 and 3. And you can see the status of these invoices are paid. So now under action button you will find a menu for mass invoice email send. Click on that and a wizard will appear for selecting a email template. Now I will be selecting a invoice for draft. First we will be selecting invoicing order cancellation. So when you click on send, you will get a validation error saying invoice order is not in cancel, cannot create order cancellation. As you know, it was in paid state, so it will throw us a validation error if we select order cancellation. Now if we select on invoice order draft, click on send, again it will throw us a validation error saying invoice order is not in draft state, cannot send quotation. As we knew, it is in paid state, so definitely it will not send a draft email. Now we will be selecting invoice sending. Select that and click on send. Here you can see the email is sending to the following customers. Here you can see the email is sent to the following customer. You can see the invoice boolean is true in here, indicating it is sent. Here you can see in the chatter a log is there indicating this email is sent to the customer. You can also find a PDF file. Here you can see invoice confirmation email sent boolean is true, indicating that invoice confirmation email is sent to the customer. You can also check the other invoices. Here also you can see in the chatter and you can see the boolean. So after this we will go into the settings. Here you will find the settings. Open that. Under technical you will find a menu for emails. Click on that and here you can see the email are sent regarding the invoices confirmation. You can open that. Here you can see from which this email is sent to the customer, deco edit. Here you can find the body of the email, and under attachment tab, if you open the invoice PDF, here you can download the invoice PDF. Click on that and here you can see the invoice PDF is downloaded. Here you can see the invoice details, invoice number, total amount, customer and every little detail regarding your invoice in here. Now discard this and we will go back to our invoicing module. Here you can see the invoicing module. Open that and in here under customer we will go to the invoices. Now under this button, if you click on that, you will find the different filters. Here we have added the different filters for invoice email send, invoice email draft, invoice confirmation email send, invoice confirmation email draft, invoice cancellation email send and invoice cancellation email draft. You can select whatever you want. I will be selecting invoice confirmation email send and you can see the invoices are filtered out which we just sent email for. You can remove it and you can see all the invoices in here.
If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.